Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so now I will going to go for MicroStrategy. Okay, so we do have 5 waves down. We did have this pullback, and I'm doing on this one seriously, completely not good. Okay, so yeah, 5 way up, and then now I was checking here. Do we have 5 wave down also? This could be just the A wave, actually. Just double check here. This could be the A wave, B wave here. And so this B wave could be not finished. I'm just trying to check because, there are several points of view here. This could be an A, B, C. For the A, this was a B. And after that, we have the C. I mean, the C, it's really not clear. This was an A, a B, and a C. I mean, it can also work. And so we have an A, just hold on, an A, sorry, an A, a B, and a C. Okay, so this could be just the A of the B wave, and now we're going to have the B, and then after that, 5 wave down, and this could complete the bigger B wave here. And there is still, a scenario that MicroStrategy could go a little bit higher. And now I am on the 1 hour. Let me remove that. On the daily, we are working into this 4th wave. Now, do I believe that are we going to make this 5th wave? It is pretty much unlikely now that, MicroStrategy is going to make a new all-time higher high, while Bitcoin it's pretty much in a correction. So we are in a bigger correction here of MicroStrategy. And actually, if I zoom out, you can see that we had a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2, 5-way up for this 3rd wave that we topped. When was that? In November 2024. And since then, we are into a correction. And so now you can see that we have an A, a B, and a C. Now, yeah, the count is full. The A, it's 100% completed. Actually, I should clean up a little bit some levels here, but not that it really matters. Okay, so ABC for the A in red completed. Now the questioning is this B wave in red completed? And this is a scenario where we're just doing the A wave in green. Now we're working into this B wave in green that could be completed, or maybe not. That's the that's the dilemma now, because really micro counting, but it looks like unfinished, and we should have gone a little bit lower for this B wave, and after that going and pushing higher. It's just the timing with Bitcoin. How, like, Bitcoin should go a little bit lower, honestly. It would help to have a nice structure, and then we can recover more. And then while Bitcoin is going to make a lower high, okay, so let's pretend that Bitcoin, it's here, and now we're here. Bitcoin, it should do just a pullback here, and at this time, perhaps, sometimes stocks, especially MicroStrategy and Bitcoin, yes, they are correlated very, very a lot. But if MicroStrategy it's meant to do a C wave, then it can pull even higher. Okay, so it can diverge a little bit. So this is my theory anyway now, that we should go a little bit lower, ideally. So we need to go a little bit higher now, do a B wave, and down to complete this B wave in green. So once again, A, B wave to come, and C. and after that 5-way up to complete this B wave in red. And this is a very, very, large B wave. I mean, to complete it here, it would be a little bit really too short, I would say. So let's see. Even though it's possible, it did reach the minimum requirement, 0.382, 195.93. But ideally, 238, 235 would be very spot on. And this is where I would keep taking some profits. Worst case scenario, this is already the top of the B wave, and now we're going lower. So let me unselect that. So what are the levels that I'm looking for now? Well, for the moment, it's a little bit too early to determine the target, but this is the area where this pullback can occur for this fourth wave. In a case that this is not, if it goes below $56, then this cannot be a fourth wave anymore. Also, $87 cannot be anymore, unless we found a way to say, I don't know, this was an A, B, C for the A, this is the B and a C. I mean, at one certain point chart, you can make, I'm trying to find a good word, because here clearly I can say this is a B, and this is a crazy explosive C waves. Here as well, I can find a way to count. I could count this ABC for the A. This is the B and the C. Why I'm saying that is, if we don't count 5-way up but 3, then it gives to the price the latitude to go a little bit lower, up to $56 without invalidating anything. Worst case scenario as well, I could say that this was just a huge A, B, C, and now this is the correction incoming. So this is A, B, and C. The only difference between this count here, that I'm counting a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one, it would be just that since this is a bigger A wave, this is going to be a bigger B wave, and then it manage or allow the price to go even lower. And I know, like $22 for a MicroStrategy seems a little bit unreal, but this is why I'm taking profits now and trying to take more profits that I can. And I'm looking forward for MicroStrategy to go a little bit higher. Here was a very good time to take some profits. Yesterday, I took this trade with you guys live. Coincidentally, my God, I was really almost spot on to the low. And you can see that it did go up quite nicely. 10%, right? It's amazing. And see, up to now, I'm $63,300 in profits. What did I do? I took some taking profits orders. So I have 162.50 and 168. You can see just before these levels here of Fibonacci. That's our resistance. And for sure, if I see the price just reverse on me, then I'm going to liquidate. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.